Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create 4 steps infographic template in Adobe InDesign. Ellipse tool, shortcut L. Draw a circle shape using with ellipse tool. Use grid to set center point. Draw a rectangle box shape. Rotate 45 degree. Again draw a box shape. Outline none. Copy Ctrl C and paste in place Alt Shift Ctrl V. Increase size of the circle to big. Pathfinder panel. Select shape and click on intersect in the Pathfinder panel. Again, select shapes and click on intersect. Copy Ctrl C. Select shape and click on subtract in the Pathfinder panel. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick colors. R0, G194, B183. Tint 50%. Copy Ctrl C and paste in place Alt Shift Ctrl V. Rotate 180 degree. R17, G71, B105. Tint 50%. Copy Ctrl C and paste in place Alt Shift Ctrl V. Rotate 90 degree. R137, G141, B144. R91, G133, B171. Tint 50%. Finally, your 4 steps infographic design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create infographic template design in Adobe InDesign.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.